Good morning, everybody. So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. So far we've been supported by this lower level, looking to try and take out this higher level. We had a wick above but got rejected, and now looking like we may have another go at it. This is obviously the best case scenario for the bulls, to hold these levels and then push on. As you guys know, I am potentially expecting a test back at some point, either down to 11.2 or 11,000. But yeah, that doesn't have to be the case. We hold this level, push on from here, make our way up, maybe up to 12,000. Then a pullback can very easily just only come down to 11,400, 11,500 area, and that would obviously be it'd be a higher value relationship for the pullbacks, wouldn't it? So that would obviously be good for the bulls. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here. We are looking at we are in a bit of a consolidation. We're testing both ends of these ranges. Testing sort of both sides, up or down. Are we gonna test back down or up, or test back up? And yeah, we've got to make that decision. So which way will it be? Obviously, you guys probably know what I'm going to say next. It will probably depend on where stock markets and the dollar go. So we will have a quick look at those. You can see the dollar has, it broke this level. I mean, it's looking like it wants to try and come and test this level, but where it is at now, you can see is a level of importance, like here. Here. So we actually will draw this line on this horizontal. We are relatively at a level, and we are also at a we've got a 4 hour 9 coming in. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. We've got a 4 hour 9. So yeah, we could be at a level where we then do pull back, and then it will be a case of, do we pull back as far as here? Do we break here? Do we just put in a lower high, start to move back up again? I mean, these are all definite possibilities after this pullback that we've had after this rally. So yeah, we have still realistically got to decide in the dollar. Obviously, you guys know my macro views, but obviously statistically, the dollar bull case scenario is increasing. So we have got to watch out for that. But obviously, because that will impact all the markets. But yeah, at the moment, I think the likely scenario is a pullback either to here, potentially even to here, pullback to here, and that would obviously be pretty good, and we'd expect to lose this level. But yeah, we could be looking at more constructive price action here in the dollar. You can clearly see obviously low, high, low, high, low as at the moment, as of yet. And then obviously we've got a higher, high, and are we gunning for a higher high now? That is going to be the big question. Or are we going to come back here, take out this low? I mean, quite importantly, take out this low, because that will obviously destroy this this higher low structure. But I mean, these are big ifs and buts and maybes. We've just got to observe this in real time. Stock futures, they are obviously looking not too bad this morning again. I mean, clearly we take out this level, we're going to probably hit this level. We hit this level, we're probably going to take out that level. So and yeah, we mean take out this level to the downside, maybe come and just trade out this area for a more prolonged period. That could be what is on the cards. Obviously, a lot is resting on stimulus, so we've got to obviously bear that in mind. Gold and silver still hanging around, hanging around towards their lows. I mean, there's obviously a bull-bear battle going on here. Obviously, a sharp move down. Is this a bull flag? Are we just gonna do a 180 and turn back? Sorry, is this a bear flag? Or are we just gonna do a 180 and turn back up? We will have to see. Is this just some sideways to up off the 4 hour 9, and then we're going to continue down? We'll have to watch. I mean, again, this will basically depend on the dollar, which has obviously made the inverse identical move to the upside. Ethereum US dollar though is looking good, along with Bitcoin. It's looking good, so we've got some clear levels here. Ethereum BTC, Ethereum BTC looking good here. If we take out this horizontal and take out this horizontal, we'll draw this one on here as well. Then then realistically, I think we could be in full Ethereum bull mode, and that could obviously have big implications for a lot of altcoins, just due to its risk on implications for the general crypto market and obviously altcoin market. Ethereum being altcoin in chief member. Yeah, that's what I wanted to look at on those. So we'll just have a quick whiz through the time frames, looking for any potential up and coming TDs that did or didn't come in. Not did or didn't come in, that are basically we've got to watch out for. 12 hour. I think maybe we did no, we didn't really get anything. I mean, this was very nearly this candle hadn't closed down here and reset the count. This basically would have been the 12-hour 9. So as you can see, we did have a extension on that. What basically, I mean, I would look at this as a 12-hour 9. I mean, this candle was just this candle. It is not going to basically just change my view of this candle in the context of this whole move, just because of where this close was lower than these levels, which then reset the count, which then made this a green one. If you guys understand what I mean, it's as Tone Vase would say, it's the sort of the spirit of the 9. And yeah, I mean, this is basically a 12-hour 9 for me. So we're having a pullback off the 12-hour 9. As you can see, it's a 12-hour, it's a 9 looking candle, extension, wick up, pullback. Yeah, definitely something to think about on that one. Yeah, 1 to 4 candle correction, and then are we just going to continue to the upside in true TD9 fashion? We will have to see on that one. Yeah, daily 9 came in as well. Here is the daily 9. Daily line, maybe it was front ran obviously with that 12-hour 9, not 12-hour 9, but you guys know what I mean. Maybe we got slightly front ran, maybe we're just playing a bit of the correction now, and then we'll continue upwards. 2-day, obviously higher time frames, we won't have anything sell wise on a 9, as you can see, because of the movement. They're just, well, you understand how the CD works. So yeah, and obviously here's our infamous bi-weekly 9 that we are looking to come and take out. So one quick look through the stochastics, and I won't take any more of your guys' time this morning. Let's just get this up. Here we go. So yeah, 4 hour, as you can see, coming nice and deep here. Yeah, slight trend line where we are potentially looking to turn around here. So could this turn around, drive us through that 11,500 and then on to 11,800 and potential 12,000? It could very well do. This could very well do that. 10 hours coming down though. 10 hour and 12 hour coming down, and this is potentially well, we know this is the cheat code. So well, 11,000 incoming, question mark. We'll have to see. Again, it depends on the dollar, depends on the stock markets, which stock markets are particularly looking toppy for me. Toppy in the respect of just sideways to down rather than just more continually crazy mad bullish days. But we'll have to see on that. Daily looking like it's turning down from quite a high level as well. But again, we do this every day, don't we? Every video, twice a day, 2-day, 3-day, 5-day, weekly, all looking good. Bi-weekly up there, monthly looking good. So yeah, I mean that kind of tells me macro up. Shorter term, very short term, potentially up. But maybe we are going to play some medium time frame down. So maybe we're going to see another little try and push up into the zone, get rejected, get some downward selling pressure to around either the 11,200 or 11,000 area, and then we'll get picked up from there. That is for me the most likely scenario. So, but again, if we get a massive rally in stocks and the dollar basically turns around from this level that we're at now, and starts to come down, obviously I think we'll be 11.5, 11.8, potentially 12k quite easily. But obviously that is predicated on this turning around on this 4 hour 9, which doesn't necessarily have to happen. And if it doesn't and we keep pushing up, especially, well, these two levels are important. We have fully taken out this level, met our next level. We take out this, I mean, to be honest, I just drew that level on, but I mean, you can see it is a level. But yeah, this was the next level we had drawn. We come and take this level out, then things will actually look particularly bullish for the dollar and particularly bad for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and potentially even stock markets as well. So something to bear in mind there, guys. So yeah, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.